Long time ago, in a quiet forest, there lived a wise old crane. The crane had long legs, soft white feathers, and a sharp beak. All the animals in the forest admired the crane because she was calm, kind, and always knew the right thing to do. One sunny day, a young rabbit came to the crane. The rabbit looked worried. "Wise crane," he said, "I am scared, yes I am so scared. The river is too fast, and I need to cross it to get home. What should I do?" The crane smiled gently and said, "Dear rabbit, do not let fear stop you. The river may look strong, but it is also your friend." The rabbit was puzzled. "Oh, no, how can the river be my friend? It is so big and loud." "Oh, no. The crane replied, "The river flows on its own, just like life. Sometimes it is calm, and sometimes it is rough. But if you watch closely, you will find the way." The rabbit thought for a moment. Then, he noticed a group of rocks in the river, forming a path. Slowly, he began to hop from rock to rock. The water splashed, but the rabbit kept going, remembering the crane's words. At last, the rabbit reached the other side of the river. He turned to the crane and said, "You were right, wise crane. You were right, the river helped me find my way." The crane nodded. "Always remember, little rabbit, when life feels too hard, be calm like the river. Look closely, and you will find the way." From that day on, the rabbit was never afraid of the river again. He knew that, just like the river, life would always show him the path if he stayed calm and paid attention. When life feels hard, like a fast river, it's okay to feel scared. But remember, just like the river in the story, life always shows us a way forward if we stay calm and pay attention. The wise crane taught the rabbit that fear can be a friend, not something to run away from. If you take a deep breath, look closely, and believe in yourself, you will find the path, just like the rabbit found the rocks to cross the river. No matter how big or tough something seems, there is always a way to get through it. So, when things get hard, be calm, be brave, and you will find your way too.
In the forest green and bright, the crane showed a shining light. When the river flows so fast, take a breath, don't rush, don't pass. Find your way, find your way. When the river seems too strong, stay calm, be brave. You'll find the song, find your way, find your way. Step by step you'll cross today. Just like the rabbit, you'll be okay. The rocks are there, just look and see. One by one, so carefully. Life is like that flow path you crossed today. Just like the